myself Surabhi Gupta. Firstly, I would like to say thank you, sir, for organizing this whole event, and also pay my respect to my guests who give their precious time for us. So, our today's topic is superstitions. So, firstly, I would like to express the exact meaning of superstition before going to describe it. So, the word superstition is nothing. It's actually an irrational belief, and that's belief in supernatural causality. It's that one event leads to cause of another event without any natural process linking these two events, such as omens, religion, and astrology, etc. It's actually the practice that generally apply to your practices, beliefs, and that surroundings around the luck. And in short, we can say that superstition is nothing. It's an irrational belief that fear of unknown, trust in magic, and just result from ignorance. So, I am sure that all of you have some of the superstitions that you might believe in it, and whether you want to admit it or not. So, actually, I want to express what's the reason, what's the logic behind it to make the people to be believe in superstitions. So, the thing is that actually it's a human mentality to go with something and to believe in it. And the thing is that someone believes, we know that all, that someone believes in God, some believes in ghosts, and other believes in superstitions. So the thing is that why do people just believe in these type of superstition? So I would like to express some of the superstitions which are some related to some religions or the legendaries past come across their ancestors. So some of the family and some of the mostly known superstitions are just stitching of our eyes, and dog souling at night, black cat just crossing your path, and sometimes it's actually the Friday 13th, which seems to be as a bad day for the Christian religion, and just cawing of the crows. So these are some of the superstitions that we generally know that comes from some type of foreign land, and also just originated from India also. So these sort of superstitions make me to think upon it, why the people just believe on it blindly. So in spite of being living in this 21st century, it is very modern, sophisticated, civilized, and full of the scientific. Instead, there are so many people who are just believe in superstition, and their beliefs is generally affected their life also. So the thing is that they believe in it, and their beliefness is shown in their practice, their decisions, and their beliefs. So the thing is that they all go for their truth, and they have their full faith and having unflinching faith on these types, including those who are not believing in these superstitions. So I would like to say one of the example that's come from my life and is really related. And I actually come up with this thought while uttering the words, it's a night of the Scorpio. I know it very clearly. Actually, when I was very small, and me and my family member was plans to go for our place because of some worship is there. And at that night, suddenly heavy rain is starting there, and so we are not unable to come back to our house. So my father plans to stay there. At the night, as we all know that whenever the rain is coming, whenever the rain is going, small insects are generally come inside to our houses. So at that time, a farmer lady is generally bitten by the Scorpio. At that time, I also was curious to know what's her pain, but I was really surprised to see there, and you people also were surprised that instead of giving her the medicine, instead of giving her some treatment and consulted with doctor, all of the villagers are just curious and to search the Scorpio, because the mentality is that they thought that if they are able to die that Scorpio, then definitely and ultimately the lady will get hit from the poison of that Scorpio. So I was very amazed at that time that how can that automatically be happen. So actually this is the superstitious thought that all the villagers have. And after 7-8 hours, when they are unable to search that Scorpio, the lady will get die. So so in this way we can say that how this becomes curse for our society to make one's life to be cannot die. So the thing is that, as I think you all of might heard about the bad days, that is actually in Hindi we also say Karve Din, that are actually comes before sitting of Lord Durga, and these are mainly in Hindu regions. So the thing is that at these days people don't want to do any religious work, people don't want to launch any new work, and also they don't want to schedule any wedding ceremony on these days. So actually these days are said to be and treated to be as a cursed day in a Hindu religion. So actually there are all many types of superstitions are also there, like Friday 13. It's treated as a bad day in Christian religions, and in Christians they don't want to do anything else at these days. So in my opinion, I must say that we have not to fully trusted on these type of superstitions, and as we know that our wishes makes our future. We might able to take some certain decision, we are able to perform some certain steps to achieve our goal, and similarly when similar tasks, our thoughts makes our reality. Actually whatever we think, this will be happens with you obviously, and actually the superstitions have both points, positive as well as negative. So the thing is that I must say that one gets what one thinks of. The actually thing is that whatever you think, you must be able to gather and get it. So finally, I would like to say some steps that to get rid of this type of superstition. As we all know that we are living in society, as no matter which side you are referred to. The thing is that one individual makes the one society. If the individual have such self-confidence and have a positive mind, then definitely then he is able to change the mentality of the society also. Actually know that it's a very tough task, and it's impossible to change the mentality of the whole society. But if an individual adopt some changes into his life and some changes into his beliefs and thinking, then obviously one can get rid, and our society can get rid from these type of superstitions. And such things like we already might see that always we have to live in a society. So always think to be live in that society but not attached. By this I mean to say that live in that society but use your own intelligence, use your own thought to deal up with these type of superstitions, and you will definitely get the best result. And the thing is that some of the steps we can take further by this, like think rationally which superstitions you are belong to. Why only the black cat is a bad luck for you? Why not the other cat may be there? Second thing is, why only the rabbit foods are seems to be the good luck for in a house? Why don't the owner's foods seems to be a good luck for the house? So things rationally, we have to think rational on it. And the second thing is to just consider which superstitions makes you to inconvenience to your life. Think upon it. If you are just not able, if you are crossing your path, whenever a black cat just cross your path, what happens with you? If there is any trouble at that day, if you are facing some tremendous condition at that day, so think upon it. And the third step we can make that find to prove yourself. Find to prove yourself that just these are not the things, these are not the realities, they have no basis. Actually, do some things, make a step further that one can believe in those who believes in that type of superstition. And the thing is that make the cross of this type of superstition and once to prove yourself, because it's a scientific century. We have to use of the doctor, science and all this many of us heard about so many times when a soul is just enter into one body and they are behaving very unnecessary situation and some strange situation behavior. So their family just trying to go for a tantric and a baba, not go for consulted with the doctor. So in my opinion, they have to firstly consulted with the doctor. Maybe there are any mental disturbance. So in my opinion, firstly go with the trusted and reality thing, and don't go up to these type of sort of superstitions. So the only thing I want to say and I want to convey a message: one get what one thinks of. Thank you.